My humble greetings to you. Today we are going to look at the present continuous. What is happening now? What are you doing? I am learning. What am I doing? You are teaching. What is your father doing? He is writing. What is your mother doing? She is cooking. What is the dog doing? It is eating. What are we doing? We are learning. What are they doing? They are watching. We use the present continuous to talk about an action which begins and ends at the time of speaking. For example, I am taking a book. He is passing the ball. We use the present continuous to talk about an action which begins before the time of speaking, continues at the time of speaking, and ends a little after the time of speaking. For example, they are working in the garden. She is reading a book. We use the present continuous to talk about an action which continues to happen with interruption. For example, Ravi is writing a book. Amalan is learning English. We use the present continuous to talk about a planned future action. For example, I am taking the train to Kandy tomorrow. We are meeting him tonight. We form the present continuous with am, is, or are plus the ing form of the verb. I am learning. He is writing. She is cooking. It is eating. You are teaching. We are learning. They are watching. Keep in mind the different spellings for the ing form. For most verbs, just add ing. Eat, eating. Read, reading. Cook, cooking. Learn, learning. Teach, teaching. For verbs ending in e, drop the e and add ing. Write, writing. Come, coming. Take, taking. For verbs ending with a short vowel and a consonant, double the consonant and add ing. Cut, cutting. Put, putting. Get, getting. Here are some more examples of affirmative, negative, or interrogative forms in the present continuous. I am teaching. She is cooking. You are learning. I am not learning. She is not watching. You are not talking. Am I teaching? Yes, you are. Is she washing? No, she isn't. Are you learning? Yes, I am. Well, that's all for today. Thank you and see you soon.